back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting recipe for you tonight. Stick around, I'll show you what I'm going to make. I'm going to throw some butter in the pan here. I'm going to turn this on a medium-high heat. And I'm going to throw some olive oil in here as well. It's going to keep my butter from burning. Don't want your butter to burn, right? Don't need a lot of olive oil, just a dab. We are doing scallops tonight. Now, there's two different types of scallops. There's bay scallops, which bays are small. And then there's sea scallops. Ocean large, that means big. So you got sea scallops, bay scallops. We're going to do the perfect scallop tonight. Got my oil and butter in the pan heating up here. Alright, we're going to just season these with a little pepper. Some pink Himalayan salt. And just a little dab of garlic. All right, we're going to flip these over. Now you want your scallops to be room temperature, and you want them to dry out, otherwise they don't sear. And you know, Gunchi, he didn't come with us this weekend, so got my lovely daughter Jacqueline on the camera there. I'm going to go ahead and throw in just a dab of garlic in the skillet. And you guys, you want to use a non-stick pan for your scallops. Do yourself a favor. Don't use cast iron for this. Some pink Himalayan. Love pink Himalayan salt. One of my viewers actually turned me on to this. And I like it. All right, little dab of garlic. Scallops cook pretty quick, folks. And some pepper. Alright. And we're sizzling up real nice there. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start at 12 o'clock. I'm just going to go around the skillet. And this little guy here, he don't even deserve to be called a scallop. That's just a piece. Yeah, we'll throw him in the center. All right. Now, you want to cook these about 1.5 minutes on the first side. You want them a nice golden brown. You want them seared. Oh yeah, that's the color you want right there, folks. You flip them the order you put them in the skillet. All right. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little lemon on them right now. And it only takes them about a minute to cook on this side. But I'm going to finish frying these lovely scallops up. I'll be right back with you. We'll get these plated and set up, folks, over a bed of coconut jasmine rice. All right, guys. We got our rice there with some lemon wedges. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Perfectly seared on both sides. We're just going to place these right on that coconut jasmine rice. And this one right here, this little guy right here, this is a Reaper Keeper. Ahoy! Those are moist. You don't want your scallops dried out. You want to keep them moist in the middle. Now we're going to go over this with just a drizzle of sriracha, or should I say house. And what I just drizzled over top of that was some Szechuan spicy sauce. It's great stuff, folks. Great stuff. And here you have the finished product. The perfect scallop on some jasmine coconut rice and some lemon wedges. But I'd like to thank you for being with the Reaper again. You folks have a nice evening. Stay safe. God bless. And I'll see you next time.